Good morning everyone. Today we drove around 110 kilometers from district of Rani Khet and before that we were in Chota. We drove here to visit this mystic place known as the Kanchi Dham Ashram. As you can see, a crowd of 2,000 devotees in the line just to see the face of the person who is known to be the master of this art. You can see this ashram lies in the midst of a beautiful forest, a beautiful pine-covered forest at a height of 1400 meters in the mid of Himalayas. So coming to our main topic, this Kanchi Dham Ashram was built by the person named the Neem Karori Baba, or was later known as Neem Karoli Baba, the modernization of his name. He was born in a Brahmin family in the year 1900 with the name Lakshman Narayan Sharma, who was later known as Neem Karori Baba due to an incident which happened in the Neem Karori village of Farrukhabad district of UP when he was deboarded on a train and the train didn't move. Upon his boarding again, the train moved and there he earned his name, the Neem Karori Baba, which is still in play after the incident which occurred in the year 1970s. The Neem Karori Baba got his traction from the early days of the minor age of 16 years when he got his wisdom. He left his home but was forced back to come back by his father, and then he became a father of two boys and one girl. After that, he again went to follow his sainthood, and finally he established this ashram in the midst of Himalayas in Kanchi Dham. Steve Jobs came here as a young backpacker of 18 years old in the year 1974, but he failed to meet Neem Karori Baba because he died in the year 1973. Finally, in 2015, Mark Zuckerberg came as he took motivation from Steve Jobs himself, and his image was so powerful that Julia Roberts, just upon seeing his image, she became a Hindu. She started practicing Hinduism just after seeing his image. He was not even alive at that time. She just saw his image and started following Hinduism. This was the power of this particular person, who now people idealize on the idea of whom people, a crowd of 2,000 people every hour come and say their prayers. You can see this temple has different deities starting from Vaishnavi Devi, Lord Ma and Lord Ram and Ma Sita, followed by Lord Hanuman, and then Lord Saint Neem Karori Baba himself, followed by Ma Vindhyavasini Devi. So that's all the knowledge we can gain in this 5 minutes vlog. Thank you so much. Chalo.